Technically,
Oo nga, ako
pwede
din
siya eh. Like,
Rayster Vincent.
si Kuya Rayster, pwede siyang Mang-Neline, tapos pwede siyang
Kasi siya yung
Hangline.
pinaka-middle. Siya yung middle, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Middle.
Middle age. Hi guys, ano po ginagawa nyo ngayon?
Team Yay. Team Yay, pre.
Team
Wow,
Yay, Team
gawin mo
Yay,
yun,
let's
Marcus.
learn, let's play. Team Yay, be the best every day. Man Yay to San Yay. Team Yay.
Team Yay! Nanonood
Yay!
kaya ako ng Team Yay dati.
Yes.
Ako hindi.
Guys, TMI, I was
Nasa gala lang
a
ako.
member of Team Yay before. Pa-shout out Marcus.
Ah!
Okay, guys. Okay, free event ba yung Samoa? Okay, guys. So, now that there's a lot of people here, we're gonna do an announcement, which we already announced before, and I'm sure yesterday the Kuyas also announced it, diba? But I will clarify more on what's gonna happen tomorrow. Tomorrow at MOA, SM Mall of Asia, we are going to hold our Christmas fan signing event. So here's how it's gonna work, okay? Basically, to be able to enter, you have to buy photo cards up front, okay? So these are the photo cards. They're inside this little cute packaging that we ourselves actually drew and wrote. So yeah, this is a drawing of a member, and I saw my drawings as well, kanina. So yeah, and basically to be able to enter the venue, they need to buy 1 to 2 photo cards. Okay?
Yes.
Or plus. Basta one, you have to buy 1 photo card up front to be able to go to the venue. Okay? And in the venue, we're gonna play games together. You know, we're gonna have our mini performance as well after the fan signing. But to be able to actually attend the fan signing, you need to buy 7 pieces. Yeah. So it's gonna be lots of fun, of course, guys. So you need 7 of these things, which is not a lot actually, because we are 7 members and we're very excited to see our photo cards. But let's open it up.
Yeah, let's check
open
it
up
out.
our photo cards.
We can open it. And then show them what's inside. Pakita natin kung anong favorite photos.
You're not
Photo cards.
seeing. Oh, okay.
Ganda ng drawing ko.
Hey.
And then like my handwriting
Mine
is
is-
my handwriting
Tarata.
here is kinda good because like pinagano ko talaga like sinuryoso ko yung pagsulat.
2 hours nga siya dun eh. Hinihintay ko siya.
Oo, ikaw.
Buti nga kayo ang tagal eh. Sa akin, yung pauwi na kami. Kaya minadali na lang.
Kasi na pressure.
Wait. Isa lang yung pakita niyo yung paborito niya lang. Cause like, wag niyo i-spoil.
Wait. Come on.
Wag niyo i-spoil.
Ooh.
Oh, look. You drew this, right?
Yeah, I drew this.
Yeah, as you can see, this is where it comes with. This is Jiro's drawings, and his writings are here. We're not gonna show everything, but he drew these like handwritten,
Yeah.
you know. So this is not. It's very special. These
What do you call
ones.
this one?
MBTI.
This is my MBTI.
Yeah, his MBTI is here. He
Yeah,
wrote
that-
that as well. It's very good.
Like, yeah. There's a lot.
Where's mine, kaya?
Where's yours?
I think it's the blue one. Do you think?
Yung kaninang ginamit
Yung
mo
sa
kanina.
gusto.
Yung ginamit mong pinang
The best one is
Where is
for
it?
all of us.
This one.
7.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I drew
Okay,
this
I'll
one.
check my photos.
Ta-da-ta! 7.
Ego.
And it's
Oh, we have a lot of photo cards.
We have 8 photo cards each
Yeah.
member.
So, what I mean by doing 1 to 2 pieces of photo cards, not like individual photo cards. We're talking about the photo card packs, which is this one. Nasaan yung tatlo? They already did their live yesterday.
Pero
Nakikisabi lang
Actually,
yun.
Eraser too.
Yeah, also Karister. Nakikisali lang si
Nakikisali
Karister.
lang.
Alis na nga ako.
Ay, hindi. Joke lang. Dito ka lang.
Joke lang.
Where's my favorite photo?
Ayun.
This is my favorite photo right now. This one. It's the basketball, no?
So get your photo cards.
Yup.
Yes.
What if meron na kaming lahat the it's only is gonna work if you buy them upfront. So you have to buy them on the day itself. So you have to buy upfront so that it counts. So that is valid.
Kahit you guys have the photo card from last concert.
last
Yeah.
concert.
Keep them for yourselves.
Yeah. Hindi po kayo makapasok. You need to buy another one tomorrow.
Yes.
Can you open this for me?
You can open it.
Can't. So yeah. Once again, in the event, we're gonna do like many fun games, you know, with our fans. So you will be able to interact with each other a lot, and of course we're gonna perform as well. But obviously the main event is the fan signing. So we're gonna be able to meet each other, talk to each other, and one more thing that I didn't mention: if you buy 7 pieces, not only do you get in the fan signing, you're
Yeah.
also
Group
Sa
photo.
photo.
group
Sa group
photos.
photos.
So yeah, we will have
Yay!
personal group photos with our anchor. So it's buy 10 groups of 10. All you gotta do, buy 7 pieces of these, and you'll be able to go to take group photo. So yeah. So basically, one photo card minimum to get in the venue and be able to play games with us, watch our performance. But you need to buy 7 pieces to be able to do the fan signing and take group photo with us. Okay. So yeah. So hopefully you guys can come if you guys are able to go to MOA, or if you guys are, you know, in Luzon.
We can do the apate.
Yeah, we do apatu together.
Apate.
Koreano ba to?
I mean,
No.
No, we're Filipino.
Filipino kami guys.
Filipino
Pero
kami, guys.
we lived sa Korea
Yeah.
for quite a while.
Yes.
We're based sa South Korea.
but right now we're in the
Philippines.
Apate.
So kung wala kayong gagawin bukas,
Go na kayo sa MOA.
yeah.
Music Hall. Ay, ano pala yung place?
Yes. MOA Music Hall.
SM MOA Music Hall. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
SM Music Hall.
Where
Okay.
is the Marcus Shanghai fish? Gina bukas. Wow, Gina daw sila.
Okay, see you there.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay. Recommend kayo ng song? Let's see.
Ikaw. Ako, meron na agad ako nasa.
Ako,
Anything,
Okay, you
like
first.
OPM, like kahit ano.
Yeah, I think anything.
anything.
I think anything.
Ako, ay, ikaw muna.
Ikaw
muna, ikaw
Ako muna. Okay. Drowning. Yes, by Woods.
Oh.
I'm drowning.
Sali ako.
Okay, you.
Dive by Olive. Olive ba? Olive Dean.
Okay.
Dean.
Okay, dive. You.
Mine is Pulso by Zactabul, I think.
I love Octobus. Me, Swim by... Sa'yo, Drowning. Sa akin, Swim by Atlantic Ocean.
Siya muna yung mauna.
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
Chase Atlantic. I meant Chase Atlantic, not Atlantic Ocean. Woo! Woo! Okay. Oh my goodness.
I love drowning too. Oh, may nagsabi ka, Winston.
Wow. Punta tayo bukas, tas patugtog natin.
Lang cute
You
my
know,
heart
si Kuya Winston, kapag maliligo siya or like may ginagawa sa room niya, like, maririnig mo siya naka-speaker pa, nakasagad yung
Naka-repeat lang yung drowning.
Oh.
I'm drowning. It's raining all day. Vinci, you look so handsome.
Where is
Where is Vinci?
Not here.
He's not here!
Ito si Vinci.
Where?
Ikaw daw.
Okay, roll call. Your name?
My name is Jeremy.
I'm Marcus.
I'm Winston.
I'm...
Raster.
Wow.
Nakalimutan yung pangalan.
Nakalimutan yung pangalan.
Forgot. Maybe they just want to say that Vinci does look really good.
I mean,
even if he's not
yeah.
here. Marcus Valorant lore. Okay, my Valorant lore is I started playing really like the first episode, and then I made like an esports team. You know, I made an esports team because of how much I wanted to become a professional Valorant player. And then at some point, I was like, okay, this is not working. I have to do what I used to do. And then I auditioned for Dream Maker, and then we won, and then now we're here.
Ang galing.
What did you eat today? I ate bacon, scrambled egg omelette, rice,
Wow.
burger, and then milk tea.
Burger na bigay ni Mark.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ako din. Marcus. Pero kanain ko kanina nag-dinner out. Dinner agad.
Din. Kinain mo
Nung
kanina.
lunch.
Kapo ka pa nababaliktad.
Hindi nung lunch, ano lang ako, dragon fruit and then avocado lang. And then breakfast naman,
Dinosaur.
more on fruits din ako kanina umaga.
Okay.
Ako scrambled egg, rice, and then like fish fillet.
Mm.
And then after that, ano, ayun lang. Oh, waffle too.
No, oh, the waffles are so good, no? But try mo yung taho. Try mo yung taho.
May taho din?
So good. Taho is so good.
Saan?
Wait,
Sa
tama
pinakadulo?
Yeah. It's by the waffle area. It's like
Oh.
beside it, nasa kanan.
Ay, we. Okay.
Crazy, so good. That's my ube syrup or strawberry syrup, and then, or if you want just the normal taho.
I'll try it tomorrow.
Ako naman, yung kinikrave ko talaga ngayon, balut.
Balut.
Balut talaga.
Do it. How the vendor do it. Like,
Balut!
Balut! Balut!
Taho! Hey,
Bro.
big shout out to taho vendors.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
guys saved
And
my
balot.
saved my life. Save our lives, and balot vendors as well. You guys are hardworking for a really great cause because I love taho and balot. Actually, balot I
Balot.
never tried. Yeah, it's true.
Tara, bili ako.
have you tried
Bigyan kita.
eating the
Yes, I did.
what's it called that? The black one?
Yung parang ano,
Sisiu?
sisiu.
Oh, yung sisiu.
I tried, pero hindi ko nagustuhan.
Dati
So,
lagi
but now, usually, pag kumakain ako, tinatanggal ko siya.
Mm.
Only yung dilaw and then the white one.
Ako pinapakain siya sa akin before ng daddy ko kasi like pampalakas to yung ano.
Nang lodi mo?
Ng daddy ko.
Ah, daddy. Sabi ko, pinapakain siya dati ng lodi ko. Sabi, what? What happened to your finger, Jeremy?
Wait, may nakapansin?
Mm-mm.
It's nothing. It's just like there's a sugat here. And then
How'd you get it?
actually
It's just
me
a
and-
scar.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kami dalawa ni Kuya Winston nagkasugat.
I have to. And my feet naman sa akin.
Tingnan nyo yung ano, naipit siya sa parang lagayan ng min. Tapos hindi nakalabas yung dugo. Tapos ngayon naging ganun.
Yun nga, yung parang nag-stuck yung
Akala ko
dugo.
pentel pen.
Parang naging nunal.
Kita mo.
Birthday ko po ngayon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Grabe ang saya natin ngayon, no? Wow!
Namamansin ba kayo? Siyempre. Napansin
Siyempre,
ko nga kayo.
diba? Ang tahimik
Tahimik
naman,
naman ni
Rister.
Weh.
Shout, shout.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Shout out.
Nasa PH kayo ngayon? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are. Okay, who is our bias in BTS?
My bias in BTS is J-Hope Sunbanim because his
Dancing machine.
Like,
My bias.
Makne. Yes.
Oh my gosh. My
Just
bias.
Makne.
Definitely Jungkook. Something.
Me too.
100%.
like,
Ako din. Jungkook and Taeyong.
And ne.
Oh.
Ne. Oh!
Hey! Wow,
As
Korean. Who's your bias in Espa?
oh, my
Aespa.
bias in Aespa is
Ano,
Winter.
yung season na maraming niebe.
Si Winter. Ako naman si Karina.
Me
Oh.
I mean, like, Karina is
100%,
good
yeah.
too,
Very good. Yeah.
What?
Giselle is also so cool. Honestly, I love all of them. I might be like OT4.
Yes. Nakita na ba natin sila?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
Wait,
Hindi pa.
we
Hindi pa.
haven't. No,
We
we haven't pala.
Oh,
Nakita pa lang natin, it's si...
it's
Seraphine.
the Seraphine.
Hindi pa pala, hindi pa pala.
And mix.
Ooh.
Pag pogi na mamansin, hello po.
Hello po.
Hi! Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Hala, ang galing oh! Wow! Pogi daw, guys.
Namamansin.
Grabe.
Syempre.
Buti na lang talaga namamansin tayo.
Kami, hindi kami stubborn, no?
Ganun
Buti
talaga
talaga.
dapat. Namamasin
Grabe.
talaga dapat.
Yes, grabe talaga. Oh my God.
Kaya namamansin talaga kami.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Can you paalam to my parents for Saturday? Okay.
Yeah!
Yes,
Ibigay mo na ngayon.
Okay,
Screen record this, guys, pagka hindi kayo pinapayagan ng parents niyo, okay? Okay, dapat ano tayo?
Isa-isa?
Isa-isa yung parang, yung message. Okay. Okay, na-screen record na kayo, Send nyo to sa parents nyo,
Okay.
Go. Okay, wait.
Go
Let's
isa, go
greetings
isa.
muna, greetings. 1, 2, 3. Hello po! We are Horizon!
Okay. Jeremy.
Hello po, tita at tito. Gusto ko po lang po ipaalam yung anak nyo na kung pwede po sa bukas, sa Saturday, December 21, kung pwede po sila umatin sa fan signing namin kasi this is our gift for our anchors this Christmas and sana po payagan yung anak niya and yeah, sana po kung kaya niyo po sumama kayo because it'll be so much fun kapag sumama po kayo. Kaya, see you there. Love you.
Wow.
Thank you po.
Okay, very good.
Tita, tito, payagan nyo na po yung anak nyo. Magde-date po kami.
Oh. Wow! Okay, tita, tito, sana payagan niyo po yung anak niyo because to make your anak happy, to make her or him smile for tomorrow, December 21, just so they can celebrate early Christmas with us. And syempre, we will only celebrate it December 21. We won't actually take up the real Christmas. You can spend it for yourselves, but hopefully December 21 you can let them come.
Yeah.
As he said.
What a great message.
Okay guys, thank you po tito,
Season.
tita, love you.
Wow.
Thank you po. Sana po makapunta sila.
Yes.
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 Sana po.
Tita and Tito, please
Okay,
allow
screen
them
record yun
na pumunta
Screen
sila.
record
Tomorrow.
Tapos na,
please.
nakapagpaalam na.
Yeah.
Or pakita nyo na agad.
Saan yung December 21? Mall of Asia.
Yeah.
Okay, who wants
Music
to
hall.
explain the mechanics?
Go.
Jeremy.
Kaya nyo na yun.
Why are you looking at me?
You.
Explain
You
it.
should
Explain.
explain it.
Okay, tomorrow we're gonna have a fan signing event sa Mall of Asia Music Hall. And then, bibili po kayo ng like yung mga photo cards. And then, pag 1 or 2 lang, makakapasok kayo, may entrance. Pero, kailangan ng 7 para makapag-communicate with us.
Yeah.
Pero kung may 2 naman kayo or 1 or 2 na photo cards, pwede kayo makasama, makalaro sa amin. Like,
Yeah.
may mga games naman doon.
Yes. So basically, in short, you buy 1 or 2, you get to play games with us, watch our performance, right?
Yeah.
But if you buy 7, you also get to join the fan sign event
And then the
where we
group
can actually
photo
talk to each other.
Yeah.
And then we'll also have the group photo, which will be in groups of 10. So yeah. So those are the perks of buying these photo cards.
Photo cards.
Which once again is personalized by us. We wrote this, we drew these ourselves.
Yeah.
So yeah. Hopefully you guys can get yourself.
Yeah, I joined Anchor.
Hey.
Yung sa akin.
And then,
Marcus, any K-drama recommendation? Start Up. Watch Start Up.
grabe yun,
Very,
no?
very good. No? Di ba pinana?
Oh, grabe.
I made Kuya Winston watch Start Up. It's
First
really
episode, ano pa lang, first and second episode pa lang.
good. Di ba
grabe.
nahook ka na agad?
Nahook na ako.
Telling you guys,
And I
really
was
good.
crying dahil sa Lola tapos sa...
Okay, don't
Yeah.
spoil it for them, but it's really, really good. So yeah, that's a good. You watch? You
Ikaw?
have any K-drama recommendation for
I stopped
Anchor?
watching K-drama na eh. Pero like,
yung last mo na
What about
pinanood,
yeah?
yung Neighbor Something, di ba?
what's it called? Ano yun? Parang
Love
Next Door.
Love Next
It's
Door.
Boy Next Door.
Boy Next Door.
What about you, Kuya Easter? Any K-drama recommendation?
18 again?
Oh, 18
18
again.
again. So basically explain ko yung 18 again kasi yung
Ay,
18
alam mo
again,
yun?
yung 18 again, pagka 18 years old ka, again, like ulitin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So sana magustuhan niyo. yun,
Like
guys.
kayo, mga Korean like movie.
Yes.
Sa akin naman, The Judge from Hell naman na sa akin.
Wow. So yun naman guys, dun sa may impyerno, merong judge dun tapos like galing siya sa impyerno. Yan.
Correct. You're correct, actually.
Tapos ito, like, parang paborito ko siyang, K-drama. 18th Century Girl.
Wow!
Yun naman guys.
Natapos mo ba yun?
No! 20th
century girl. 20th century. Grabe.
Paano kasi sa
Mahilig
18
siya
na gan eh?
Mahilig siya sa sa mga vintage. Ganun.
20th Century Girl, and like, I forgot na, like, parang...
Parang babae siya, tas...
tapos meron pang isa yung parang Jibaras, yung flowers na, like, parang ginawa nilang.
Yeah. It's good.
The
Tapos
best-
diba nasa 20th century siya? Yung babae.
Oo.
Yeah. So,
The best din yung Lovely Runner, tapos...
Yung Lovely
Conjuring
Runner naman,
naman.
tumatakbo siya, pero sa pagmamahal. Diba?
Gusto ko yung filter na yun.
Nawala. Send niyo pa nga ulit.
Yun.
Sabay.
Sabay.
guys. Sapa.
Magkakadalisay tayo dyan.
Ayun.
Kadalisay, man. Thank you. Salamat po sa nag-send.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, thank you.
Kadalisay.
Triplets kayo. We are quadruplets.
Yeah.
So, same age kami, guys. Lahat kami 17 years old. Yes. Pero yung unang pinanganak, si Kuya Racer.
Kuya Racer, tapos pangalawa.
Pero pangalawa si Kuya Winston, pangatlo, tapos pang-apat. Pero same day.
Yes. Quadruple.
Pero alam niyo kung paano yung differences namin, seconds lang. After niya,
Ang sakit na.
pinanganak.
Ang bilis naman.
1
Nun
second.
parang...
1 second, tapos... Ikaw naman. Kaya, 1 seconds lang yung different namin.
Bro! Like, ano yan, barel? Like,
Hindi kasi ganun yun. Ganun yun. Kasi diba, different.
ang sakit nun!
Isa.
Pero ang galing talaga ng nanay namin. Yung galing.
Sobrang
Yung
galing.
best. The best of the best.
1 second.
Pwede siyang
1 second lang yung
yung machine gun. Boom, boom.
Kan yun eh.
Canyon.
Pero magaling yun, guys. So, yun. So, birthday namin is February 2, 2000...
4, 5.
Ano yung 17? 17 tayo,
2000,
diba?
yes.
17.
2000...
2000, ano?
Hindi. 2007.
2007.
2007.
Tama ba?
Yes.
Tama.
Tama, 2007.
Kasi, ilang
tama.
pa?
2005 ako.
Ay,
tapos
oo,
19
tama.
ako. Tapos bawasan ng 2. Dagdagan ng 2.
Hindi, di ba 17 ka?
Ay, pala.
Oo, 17
Nakalimutan ko.
ka.
17 tayo eh. Ayun.
17 na tayo. Starting from now,
Yes.
we're 17.
Okay.
Yes, 17.
Alam,
17 right.
baka magulo yung mga bagong anchors. Hindi ko
Ay,
nakita.
wala na.
Sayang.
Dapat pag lumalabas yun.
Guys, send lang kayo ng ng mga
cowboy.
gift.
Kahapon puro tanggi kami sa nagsisentas tayo dito. Send ng pasen.
Best Korean phrase, 솔직히 말하면.
Paano kapag hindi sila
Ikaw,
nag-isip ganyan?
ano yung sa'yo? Favorite line mo sa Korean? K-drama.
Line?
Like phrase, ganun.
Phrase.
Yung favorite mong sabihin in Korean.
Ne. Ne.
Ikaw?
Undercall?
Ne.
Opsoyo.
Observe.
Undercall?
Undercore?
Undercore.
Yun ba? Or,
Under.
sabi niya, bawal daw.
bawal daw sabihin.
Bawal daw sabihin. Uy, bad ka. Ikaw kaya, Rister.
Ne daw.
Opsoyo.
Sa kanya.
Ne.
Ops, ne.
Sa akin, muhago si Pundere.
Ano?
Muhago si Pundere.
Ano yun?
Muhago si Pundere.
Ba't ba nakikinig?
Nega nung hati sarang ipadyot tago.
Natandaan ko yun. Inaral ko yan.
Kasi sinabi niya, ano yung sabi mo?
Muhago si Pundere.
Parang gawin mo yung gusto mong gawin.
Yeah.
Tapos ano yung pangalawa?
Well, like, you can just say
Nega,
Ma'am Dre.
ang hati
Ma'am
sarang
Dre.
budget to.
Ma'am Dre.
Ano? Mahal kita doon. Ano yun?
Yun ba yung
mahal
tinuturo
kita?
mo sa
Ganun.
akin?
Diba?
Yun ba yung tinuturo mo sa akin?
Yung like...
K-drama yun, di ba?
Yeah. Ginaya nila, ano yun. Like, parang tiniktok for nila.
Kanina pa ba kayo? Na late ako? Hindi naman. Mga 50 hours na kami nag-live. Pero hindi naman late. Okay lang.
Sarang itago. Ano niya?
Sarangettago! Sarangettago!
Sarangan tago.
No.
Ay, sarang dago.
Ay, sarangan tago! Sarange! Sarange!
the song by Isang Short Song Denis.
Mali pala, Sarangan Dago pala yun.
Sarangan dago, sorry yo.
Pati gusto ko din kanta na Missing You ng B2B.
Angas ng buhok ni Jiro!
Mukha kang
What's that?
Yung guitar.
Isa pa nga po,
Guitarista.
pasend pa isang beses.
What's that?
Kuya.
Pasend po isang beses.
Isa pang beses, kuya.
Ba't parang
Para gusto namin makita.
Baliktad talaga tayo, no?
Isa pa po, kuya. Isa pa po. Kuya, di ba? Parang lalaki yung profile picture.
Kuya or ate, pasend po ulit daw. Paano mga pagmahal yun?
Whoever you are,
Okay lang
please
yan.
send that. Wow! Again.
Again.
Mahirap po ba mag-Korean?
Rockstar! Hindi, ganun ka.
Magkamukha tayo.
Yan.
Oh?
다시 보내줘 sa'yo. Paalam nyo kay mama bukas. Ate na paalam
Sorry,
na po.
nagpaalam na kami.
Guys, naka-screen record na yun. So, yung mga nakapag-screen record,
Share.
i-ano nyo na.
Share the blessing.
Post nyo, tapos, yun.
Oo.
Share. Share. Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose.
Will you visit Davao soon? Sana.
Sana sinabi mo.
Ba't di na masamay tayo pa sa uli?
Wow!
Hey!
Galing ni Jiro, pwede ka na maging swimmer.
Hindi singer.
Swimmer.
Swimmer. Ala, naglag ba tayo?
Gusto mo itapon ka sa ano?
Hindi tayo naglag dito lang, no?
Sa kanila.
Dito lang.
May swimming pool pa naman yun. Gusto mo talaga mag-swim.
Oh, pwede ka naman mag-swimming. Pwede din.
Swimming tayo mamaya.
Pwede din. Pwede nga.
Pwede.
Ikaw ay tila swimming sa
Tawa mo.
Hindi, sinuportahan.
Sinuport ka namin.
Ano tayo? Kakanta tapos titigil tayo sa word tapos dudugtungan.
Diyan ka na naman, tapos papahirapan mo naman, tapos wala maisip yung
Okay,
tao.
sige. Pero gusto ko.
Masaya.
Okay.
Sino ang nakanta? Ikaw.
English na English.
Oh, tsaka,
Hindi, wag ako. Hindi ko pa nag-gets ng content.
Hindi,
Okay.
example, kakanta ko ng
Like,
tapos luha yung last. Tapos
Parang
kakanta ka
hirap
ng
naman.
ibang kanta na luha din yung lyric.
Okay, go.
Okay, sige.
Go.
Ako muna.
Okay, ikaw. Tajiro ako last.
bakit
Ganun
ko
dapat.
decision?
Siyempre, Macney. Oo, di ba?
Pero parang ang hirap nun.
Oh, mahirap nga siya, kaya like parang yung learn yung mga words.
Oh, go.
Nangangamba ang iyong puso, hindi ka sigurado.
Sigurado. Jiro.
Pre, yun hirap naman.
Diba ang
sigurado,
hirap,
men.
mahirap eh, hindi eh.
Sigurado when I close my eyes.
Ang galing-galing. Ang
Okay, pwede yun ganun. Pwede yun.
Okay, sorry, ikaw na.
Tapos na ako eh.
Ikaw dapat. Ano, hindi, dugtungan mo ulit. Hindi, dugtungan mo.
Ice.
Ice. Dali na yun
Ay,
madali.
sumatita na.
Ay, sumatit! Ay, sumatit! Terabit! Ano, sabihin mo yung totoong
Oo
lyrics.
naman.
Ay, sumatit.
Ayos ang
Oh, tip daw.
Ayun.
Ang short naman nun, mas
Kasi like, I
mahaba.
really don't know because like, it's Korean song by 80s song.
Okay, so I saw my teeth. Teeth.
Jingle. Oh, jingle teeth, jingle.
Wala!
Bawal yan.
Dapat teeth. Wala.
Teeth.
Oh, kala mo
Teeth. Teeth.
Hindi naman lyrics yun eh.
Bro.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Mahirap, di ba?
Ikaw pa nag-isip ng laron to
Ikaw may gusto nito.
Teeth.
Nag-lag tayo sa kabila.
Teeth.
Wala.
Teeth.
Oy, bago kanta.
Tinawagan mo.
Bago na kanta.
Ang kanta.
Sige,
Ako naman magsimula.
sige. Pagka ikaw hindi ka... Okay, first to na wala kang masabi. So, kunyari, siya, naka-1 na siya, hindi siya nakasabi. So, pagka isa pang hindi ka makapag sa kanta, talo na siya.
Okay.
Okay. So, walang panalo, may talo lang.
Pipitikin.
Ala, sakit naman.
Touch move dapat. Pag pinitik.
Okay.
Dapat hindi gumalaw.
Okay, sige, go.
Pag gumalaw, ulitin. Oh, I'm drowned.
Go.
It's raining all day. Yeah. Yeah.
Ako na?
Ikaw.
Yeah.
Hindi.
Kay Kuya Rick.
Hindi, si Kuya Rizzo dapat kasi...
Okay. Yeah ba?
Lang, feeling ko ako nga
Yeah,
dapat.
I have to live my life without you near me.
Near me.
Me,
Love
me.
you near me.
Hala, ay tama pala.
Okay, pasok. Oh, ano last one?
Ano yung last?
Me ulit?
Me ulit?
Hindi, dapat balik.
Me.
Hindi, kasi me sa kanya, me din sa
Near. Near sa kanya, di ba?
Oh, tama, me. Go.
Me sa kanya?
Near.
Me, di ba sa'yo?
Ewan ko.
Me sa kanya?
Ah, so me din yung sa'yo?
Oo.
Pwede ba yun?
Mother
Pwede
dapat.
naman nata yun.
Sige.
Oh.
Tayo naman gumagawa ng rules.
Mm.
Okay, me ulit.
Mi ma meo en mi c'est toi.
Wow.
Prima. Le pire c'est toi et moi. Oh, French. Hindi nyo kaya.
Wala
Hindi nyo kaya mo.
Mama. Kamusta
Mama,
na
di
din?
na.
Mali!
Masalamat ka sa akin! Kita sobra. Sobra.
Sobra, gonna swim from the shore.
Grabing galing ni Liris.
Kuya Richter, di mo lang pinantay salamat.
Ang galing na.
Sobrang.
Ayo, okay, so I'm gonna swim chandelier.
Chandelier?
Mahirap yung chandelier, guys.
Ano yung chandelier na
Chandelier siya, chandelier.
Ganun ba yun?
Hindi!
Puro ka Winston, iba yun. Like a chandelier.
Oh, and a sweet from the...
Hindi, dapat
Dapat mauna
chandelier,
chandelier.
you know.
Umpisa?
Chandelier dapat
Oo, chandelier dapat yung start.
Teka lang, chandelier.
Chandelier.
Chandelier from the chandelier.
Wala, same kayo ng kanta, chandelier
Wait
din
ba?
sa kanya.
Chandelier yung kinanta niya?
Oo, kaya nga chandelier yung kanta.
Ay, wala na.
So, one.
Oh, ikaw magsimula.
Mahaba-haba to, guys. Sorry na.
Nag-enjoy.
Si Kuya Winston yung may gusto nito. Okay, go.
Bini, alam mo ba kung paano nahulog sa'yo?
Sa'yo.
Sa'yo, ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, nabago ang puso sa'yo.
Sa'yo ulit.
Parang lagi ang pag-ibig mo.
Ayun.
Mo.
Mulang panahon. Tayo ngayon.
Pwede ba?
Pasok yun.
Oo. Ano yung last word mo?
Pwede ba?
Pwede ba?
Pwede ba?
Marcus.
Pwede ba?
Bakit ba
Dagan ng
ikaw
sound.
ang naiisip ko?
Okay,
at
sige.
di
Thank you.
nawawala pa?
Okay, sige, si Jira ulit.
Nawawala pa.
Pa.
Papa. Gumasa ka, di nga.
Wait lang. Pa.
Pwede yun.
Papa?
Oh, Papa.
Alam ko. Five little monkeys, dami-dami. Okay.
Parang islang patropiko. Tama, di ba?
Pantropiko,
Islang ba yun? Parang
Parang
Pang
Islam.
Islam, pantropiko.
pantropiko. Oh.
Pantropiko, oh.
Oh. Oh, ako meron. Oh, oh, holy night, the stars are shining.
Shining bright.
My dream is so bright. Wala na, tigil na natin to. Feeling ko hindi na tayo
Tama yan.
Guys,
matapos.
kailangan pa natin mag-park.
Bakit kayo mag-work?
Guys, magpa-practice pa kami mamaya pagkatas nito kasi para bukas. So, let's end it soon. Okay, we'll end the live.
We'll end it at 6:35.
Oh, nice. Medyo matagal-tagal pa. Sasama namin kayo sa training kasi.
We'll end it after 1 second.
Well,
We'll end it.
okay.
No!
Oh, I'm
Drowning!
Kakarating ko lang. Sorry that you had to
Yeah.
come with chaos.
Miyane hajima.
Wow!
Hi po.
빨간 예쁜 입술로
Papansinin ako ni Marcus. Pansinin mo daw siya.
Hello po. Mahal kita.
Lakas ako.
Wow.
Wow.
Hindi mo kaya.
With honors si Marcus.
Hoy, hello
With
ka.
honors pala ako eh.
Pre. Playa.
Hmm? Pag ako napansin ni Jiro, aamin na ako sa kanya.
Go! Umamin ka na, men! Ay, ate pala.
Ate, hindi siya men.
Sorry.
Hindi siya men. Okay,
Umami.
Pero umami. Okay, guys. Kung ako sa inyo, kung meron kayong crush, kung meron kayong minamahal, tas di nyo pa maamin yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya, if I were you, i-go mo na yan. Kasi, it's better to know you tried rather instead, sorry, ang gulo ko. Wait lang. It's better to know that you tried instead of thinking, what if?
Hindi naman masama i-try na umamin ka.
Yeah.
Mas
Kasi-
maganda ngayon eh. I mean, like,
Yun nga
sometimes.
'di ba? Kasi at least alam mo na yung kung ano man yung maging outcome nun. What matters is alam mo yung nangyari, alam mo na yung katotohanan. Instead of hindi mo pinigilan mo yung sarili mo para aminin yung feelings mo sa kanya. Pero ngayon, hindi ka makatulog eh. Kasi iniisip mo, hala, what if
Hindi ako gusto na like parang ganun.
Tapos hihintayin mo siya na magustuhan niya yung ibang tao. Tapos kung yari nag-post siya ng Instagram story, boom, selfie kasama ibang lalaki, di ba?
Oo,
Or like babae, like
Or
Tapos
babae, oo. Di ba
ma-
masakit yun? Pero sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, paano kung tinanong ko na lang siya?
Tapos masasabi mo, wow, ang ganda pala ng life.
Pero like, totoo yun like, mas maganda na umamin ka.
Yun talaga.
Kasi kapag hindi ka umamin, overthink mo yun.
Oo.
Malala
I
yun.
think it's better
Malala
din
yun,
na
guys.
better din na kumanta. Five little monkeys,
Humpty Dumpty.
Sige, Winston talaga eh, no?
So, tayo pa talaga nagbigay ng advice, no?
Mga bata tayo,
Mga
tapos-
mangnay pa talaga, no? Okay, guys, I think
6:35 na.
I think tama na, guys. Tama na. Okay, guys. Once again, see you tomorrow at
SM MOA Musical.
yes.
And don't forget to buy this photo cards.
7. Wow!
But like kapag, you can buy naman 1 to 2.
Can
Pero
get.
mas maganda kapag
Anything
7
you want,
because
you
like
can go
makakasama kayo sa fan signing event namin and sa photo.
Alright, guys. We love you, Anchors.
Mag-training pa kami.
Pero, send mo na kayo yung Cardo Dalisay.
Cardo, last.
na.
We're sorry.
Last na.
Isa pang kadali
Cardo
sa'yo.
Dalisay.
Cardo Dalisay.
Ready
Guys,
na ako,
send
ah.
kayo, Cardo Dalisay. Sige na, isa lang, oh.
I'm ready.
Naka-ready na kami, guys.
Ready. Ready.
Oh my God.
Whenever ready, boys and girls, and the girls and boys.
Ang tagal.
Wala ata, wala.
Gumalaw lang tayo pag nandyan. Yay! Thank you!
Yay! Thank you po!
Thank you, guys. Love you, guys. Message.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
And sana po yung mga video na paalam namin is i-post nyo para yung iba is magamit yung video na yun para makapunta po yung mga ibang gusto pumunta doon.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So, sa mga punta po tomorrow, ingat po kayo and see you there and sana mag-have fun tayo tomorrow. Tama ba yun?
Tama.
Tama.
Okay, guys. Ano, picture taking ulit? Sige.
Picture.
Tayong apat.
Ayan, cute yan.
Ay, pala tayo pause.
Hirap pala pag may ganitong filter. Guys, okay na pala. Wag na kayo mag-send.
Tama na po.
Okay na po.
Wait
na
lang.
po. Happy na po kami.
Thank you po, Kuya.
Cancel.com.
Cancel.
Okay, salamat
Okay na po.
Happy na po kami dyan.
Salamat
Thank you po. Okay na.
Picture, last one.
Proper picture. Okay, guys.
Thank you po.
Love you, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Love
See you tomorrow and magti-training pa po kami.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Kumain na kayo kasi late
Let's sing
na. Bye-bye.
Five Little Monkeys tomorrow. Sige.
Bye.
Bye!